Many customers ask about being able to do power analysis on motors and inverters and want to know if our line of power quality meters like 3197 or PW3198 can do the job. As good as those meters do, they are not equipped to measure frequencies other than 50, 60, and in the case of the PW3198, 400 Hertz. Enter the 3390, which picks up in frequency capabilities where the others leave off, and then some. Let's take a look at the 3390 and some of its capabilities. This is the Hioki 3390 Power Analyzer, which is a single-phase 2-wire to 3-phase 4-wire 4-channel analyzer that can be used to measure systems and inverters operating from DC up to 150 kilohertz. Voltage measurements can go as high as 1500 volts and currents from 20 amps up to 500 amps depending on the clamp used. The unit can also measure important motor parameters such as voltage, torque, rotation, frequency, slip, and motor power using the optional motor testing option. The screen is a 9-inch TFT LCD display, and the unit's accuracy is plus or minus 0.16% of reading plus the accuracy of the current clamp being used. The 3390 allows the user to customize the data the way they want it to be logged using a recording interval which can be as fast as 50 milliseconds. Recordable data that is available includes voltage, current, effective power, apparent power, reactive power, power factor, phase angle, integrated current and power, and harmonics up to the 100th order and efficiency. A waveform and noise display screen is also available, offering an opportunity to see the voltage and current waveforms and their noise characteristics together on the same screen. Recorded data can be stored on a compact flash card, then transferred to a USB jump drive right on the unit. The 3390 also provides an Ethernet port and built-in HTTP server, so the unit can be accessed and remotely controlled through a PC's web browser. Up to 4 3390s can be daisy-chained and synced together to provide up to 16 channels of analysis. If you have any questions regarding the features or operation of the 3390, please contact Hioki.